Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be opening up a box of Big League 2019 Big League. I've opened some retail of this. I actually haven't opened a full box of this yet. Just a little bit of retail that I picked up last year, and I just decided to pick up a couple boxes of this. That's what some of the cards look like. Excuse me, there's got 24 packs in here. 10 cards per pack. There's no guaranteed autograph, but there's a lot of numbered cards. There's a lot of parallel cards you can pull. Hoping for an autograph though, that'd be cool. I think usually there's like one in every other box. So picked up 2 of them. So we're gonna open this one today, and this one in a future video. So we'll set that one right there. So we'll open this one today, 24 packs, hoping to pull an autograph. There's also, pretty sure there's also rookie short prints of like Tatis and Vlad Guerrero Jr. and maybe a couple other ones that I don't remember. But I don't remember who else is in here. The pack arts are pretty cool. There's different stars on the packs here. I'll show you guys. I'm sure you guys seen this set before. So we got Altuve and Trout there. Then Kershaw there. We got Judge on Mookie Betts on that one. That's Acuna. And then we got Baez right there, and then we got Justin Verlander right there as well. So that's pretty cool. Different cover arts on the packs there. So that's pretty cool. So let's go and get this started. Hope everybody's having a good day today. It's been a pretty good day for me. It was just a good day. So we got Justice Chetfield, Carlos Correa, cool. Randall Grichuk, Tommy Pham. There's a big head card of Christian Yelich. Kind of weird card there. Got a parallel of Charlie Blackmon. That's pretty sweet. Set the parallels over here. Set them right there. That's just no idea what that is. Wilson Contreras. Cool. Then we got Michael Fulmer. I like these cards. These are pretty cool. We got a J.D. Martinez, Chris Davis, and Edwin Encarnacion. Star Kings card there. All-star batting leaders. And then for the last card, Nomar Mazara. Got to check the odds here. So we got base parallels, rainbow, 1 of 22, artists renditions, 1 of 44, red foil, 1 of 2,188. Wow. Okay. Alright. Autograph. Big League autograph, 1 of 126. So that's not too terrible. So hopefully we can get one. Usually there's one in every other box. There's John Moncada. Nice one. There's Andrew Heaney. Angels card there. Nice. Another Stat Kings card there. Freddie Freeman, Kristen Yelich, and Nick Williams. Nice. Cole Calhoun. There's a blast-off card of Stanton. Nice one. Chris Anetta. There's a Corey Seager. Brandon Nimmo. Greg Allen. And Steven Strasburg there. We didn't get a yellow, did we? Oh, there he is. There it is. There's a Chris Lanini yellow. Cool. Alright, next pack here. I like Big League. It's a pretty simple set. I think there's 400 cards. Yeah, 400. Whoa. That's a big set. That is a big set. David Fletcher, Mike Zuno. Got another card there. Cool. Nicknames J-Hay. Jason Hayward. Nice. Nicky Delmonico. Gold. Dustin Pedroia. Jacoby Jones. There's another gold there, or that's not a gold. Stat Kings. And Starling Marte. 24 packs. That's a lot of packs. Most standard box, but 240 cards. Not too bad. Not too terrible. Travis Shaw, David Price. There's a Trout card. That's already the best card in the whole box. There's our gold card there. Walker Buehler, Todd Frazier, Edwin Encarnacion, and Joey Riddick. Red card. Red something. Josh Donaldson. Mike Tulowitzki. There's David Boat. There's a big head of Jan Moncada. What in the world, man? Those big head cards are funny. Stephen Piscotty. Charlie Blackmon there. Doing a dive. That's pretty sweet. There's another Stephen Piscotty. We must have pulled out. Must have been a gold there. Yep. Nice. Okay. Whoops. Alright. John Gray and Steven Duggar there. Rookie. Nice. So far we didn't get into the short print rookies. Those are Eloy, Tatis, Alonso, those ones there. Pretty sure that they're in this set. There's Beck, Eric Thames, Brock Holt. The card there. There's a blast off of JD Martinez, Masahiro Tanaka. Gold. Cool. Nice. Yeah, I like these cards. They're pretty cool. Niko Goodrum. Yeah, so if you like this set, a box of it's pretty cheap. They're not too expensive. They're pretty affordable. Harrison Bader, Kyle Schwarber, Manny Machado, Benintendi there. Got a nickname's Nick. I don't know who that is. Nicholas Castellanos. Nice. Justin Upton, cool. That card there. Evan Longoria, Jacob deGrom, Tim Beckham, and Matt Carpenter. Excuse me. God, my throat is like killing me right now. I don't know why. Next pack. Got John Lester, Ketel Marte, another Stat Kings card there. Mookie Betts, JD Martinez, and Altuve. Yay for him. Wall Climbers, Max Kepler. Nice. Jan Gomes. Another card there of Stat Kings there. Whit Merrifield, Melixon Smith, and Jose Ramirez. Ooh, that's a different picture of somebody. Cool. Austin Dean. Nice. Then Luis Arias there. Card there. Cool. Got a couple packs here on the left side. We got 4 more packs on the left side. So, hoping for an auto, like really. But if we don't get that one, if we don't get an auto, that's okay. Still pretty cool opening. Dansby Swanson. There's a Yelich. Nice. Stat Kings there. There's a big-headed of Brandon Crawford. These cards are funny. I don't know how I feel about those. They're definitely interesting looking. Jorge Bafaro. Straighten this up a little bit. There we go. Straighten that up a little bit. There we go. Next pack. Alright. Marcus Stroman. Jose Altuve. Matt Boyd. Edwin Diaz. Aaron Judge Blastoff. Sweet. Here's Kirby Yates. Blake Snell. Ben Gamel. Ian Gomes. Trey Mancini. Nice Trey Mancini card there. Cool. Next pack. Eddie Rosario. Sorry, that was my phone. Eddie Rosario, Justin Verlander, Orlando Arcia, whoops, Tucker Barnhart. Got nicknames Todd Father of Todd Frazier. Cool card there. Oh, that's numbered. That's sweet. Alan Hansen. Numbered card there. Cool. Set that right there. Ian Kinsler. And then this card here, the Stat Kings. Again, let's look at this numbered card. Nice. That's numbered to 100. You can see right there. Nice. Cool. Pretty nice card there. So we got a couple decent cards so far. Not too bad. This set is more geared toward the younger kids, but I still like it. Another Wall Climbers card there, Corey Dickerson. Nice. There's a Trey Mancini. Cool. Justin Turner. Michael Conforto. Francisco Chiavelli. And Jose Ramirez there. That stack is all done. Let's move on to the next stack here. That's 12 packs. Nice. Ricky Delmonico, Jackie Bradley, big-headed Nicholas Castellanos. Nice. Jacoby Jones gold. Cool. Oh, there's a number card. Kyle Seager. Nice one. Cool. Number to 100 there. That's sweet. Yeah, this box is not bad. I like this. Big Leagues is really good. It's a Stat Kings card there. Another Stat Kings and Jock Peterson. Nice. Cool. There's a Justin Upton. Jorge Polanco. There's another Stat Kings card. Mike Flyers. There's a blast off of Trevor Story. Nick Castellanos there. Gold. Cool. Jose Electric. Mitch Haniger. Starlin Castro. And Mookie Bet Awards winner card. That's pretty cool. I like that one. That one's neat. I've seen that one before. Here, let's take... no, let's just leave it in there. That's fine. Yuri Gurriel. Start another stack here. Jose Abreu. Tyler Glasnow. Another Stat Kings card. El Nino of Salvador Perez there. Cool. Josh James. Rookie. Cool. Gold rookie. Nice. Francisco. Tim Anderson. Cool. Chris Archer. And Eduardo Escobar. Hoping to get the whole set because I got 2 boxes and hoping to get at least over half of the set. Because I barely got any of this last year, so Lucas Giolito, DJ LeMahieu, Austin Meadows. There's a Wall Climbers of Acuna. That's pretty sweet. Like that one. Luis Arias, gold. Cool. Lewis Martin, James Paxton, and D. Gordon. We're at 14 minutes. A couple packs left. Okay. Blake Treinen. Blake Treinen, I think. Sort of. Yu Darvish. There's another Stat Kings card there. Pretty cool. Gary Sanchez. There's a big head card of Acuna. Walker Buehler. Sean Doolittle. Wade Davis. Will Myers. And Rugged Odor. I don't like that. I don't like his name. He needs to change his name. At least it's not Oil Can Boyd. That, who names their kid that, man? Holy cow. Some people. Yadier Molina, James Talon, Danny Duffy. We got a Matt Olson blast off. Ooh, there's a Trout gold. Heck yeah. Sweet. That's probably the best card in the whole box so far. Trout gold parallel. Nice. Eduardo Eugenio Suarez. Brandon Belt. Nice. Got Shane Green. And David Bundy. Or Dylan Bundy. Nice. Got 5 packs. 5 packs left. Still looking for an autograph. Probably not going to get one though, but that's okay. I still really like this set. Sean Newcomb. Albert Pujols. There's Ryan Braun. I like Ryan Braun. Aaron Nola. Nicknames. Fierce. Walker Buehler. Nice. Stanton gold. Nice gold card there. Stanton. Victor Robles. Blake Snell. Carlos Nunez and Ben Zorbist. Next pack. Ozuna, Jack Flaherty, German Marquez. Ooh, that's a cool picture of Didi. Nice. Billy Hamilton wall climbers. Nice card there. I like the wall climber cards. They're cool. Good shot there. Suarez, Adrinaza, something. Kyle Tucker, rookie. Nice. Corey Kluber, Yonder Alonso, and Cedric Mullins rookie card. Nice. Next pack. Anthony Rizzo, Paul Goldschmidt, Nick Williams, David Dull. There's a big-headed card of Corey Kluber. Todd Frazier, gold. Mark Trumbo, nice. Paul DeJong, Aaron Judge, sweet. And then one of those Stat King cards there, nice. Couple packs left. As I'm dropping everything, here we go. Last, one more pack I think after this one. Okay. Juan Camago, Jacob deGrom, Jesus Aguilar, Kevin Newman, Mike Trout blast-off. Sweet. Got 3 Trouts in this box. That's amazing. Carlos Santana. Ian Desmond. There's a Malik Smith. And there's a Alan Hansen. And an Adam Eaton. Nice card there. 2 packs. Ken Giles. Whit Merrifield, Andrew McCutchen. We got a nickname Sabin Soy Acuna. That's weird, but okay. Weird nickname there. Jose Bricino. Ooh. Sean Manaea autograph. That's sweet. We actually got an autograph. Heck yeah. Sean Manaea from the A's. That's awesome. Hold on, let me set that right there. Cool. Very nice. Very nice. This box is really good. I like it. Cool. And then another Stat Kings card there. Let's look at this autograph again. Autograph, kind of a not very exciting signature there, but that's still awesome. It's very hard to pull autos out of these boxes. But we got one. Very cool. Sean Manaea autograph. Last pack. So even if that second box doesn't give us anything good, we got an autograph out of our first one. Blake Snell, Matt Olson, Josh Bell, Salvador Perez. We got a wall climbers of Kevin Pillar. Kevin Pillar is really good. Oh, there's an Eloy. Gold. Nice. Sweet. Very nice. Brad Boxenberg. Brian Anderson. Rhea and Austin Hedges. That was a pretty good box. That was a really good box. So let's just take a look at the inserts first that we got. Set all the inserts aside. So here are all the inserts. Got those, bunch of wall climbers, blast offs, nickname cards there. And we got a couple numbered cards. There's one of them right there. And we got some. There's some gold ones there. I just didn't put those there. Got a Todd Frazier gold there. Stanton, Trout. There's another numbered card of Seager. And there's a wall climbers card of Mike Trout. Nice one. And here's the gold cards that I set aside. There's an Eloy gold. Whoops. Eloy gold. Very cool. And then Sean Manaea autograph card. Very cool. Rest of the gold cards. Yeah, so if you guys like Big League, Big League's pretty cheap to buy. They're like 35 to 40 bucks a box. So that's not too terrible. And you get some cool cards, some number cards, some weird cards like these, which I don't mind, but whatever. They could be better, but and the number cards are pretty fun. And you know, one of 3 boxes usually have an autograph. You probably buy 2 of these or 3 of these. You might be able to complete the base set, if not most of it. Pretty cheap buy, so affordable. And if you guys like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and like, comment, and subscribe. And yep, and that's all I have for you today. And thank you for watching, and signing off. Thank you.